no na force you omo. Look at the things about me and now. Ne manifesto no see then omo be one of the things I disagree 11 no musi ombe you know. Look, we are Maya. You must be bold to have the balls to take bold decisions.
Mama Akwaba, wafreme Ajwa searching Mesrel. Now wa subscribe to my channel. Me a notification bell also for more news. Ebusuafo, Afia poku ya lady, the nsembia betu and I don't think madness. Ade Afia poku ya chere Dr. Baumia esse oba obeyi levi afi hono. Afia poku ya so onte ase one na nya adwen. Na nienti a mesementi Afia poku ya ase no. Eni. Ebusuafo na no na NPP amayoku no omo kolanche omo manifesto ewo takrade tadi. Na manifesto na se no His Excellency the Vice President Dr. Baumia Dinsembi to just say tax amnesty and omo de tax e kan to muntumi ntua no omo business aye basa na obo be yi na afiwo afenso yi levy na eda mobile money so na Ghana futua na omo ho hyeso omo se do omo dabo nsem jem na obo be yi afiwo afia poku a ete ye neti kokum amu ni adanya yi levy ndi ye nti na omo na ewo ho nenye Ghana for na yi levy bayi ankasa amount no wato abanka NPP omenya 0%, 1 digit kran NPP fu nya because of yi levy nti ene Ghana for mo abrochiri kra de yana ye tua kra na haye Ghana for no mo abrochiri no NDC fu na wo mi no na yi levy na NPP aden na do trim ya den utrim kwate na de free levy friends yi levy aba o pese wo kan uku Ghana for e den the tax bebrebe nso make us NDC for condom tax on the buy that dey wodo dokra wo the tax to so aden ti na enka no kware wo kuro mi hasa nso yi levy na beboy nso na do de yi levy be tobut levy no tax no if you ho ansa no de yi levy ne ba so Ghana for ntia so mo bona na do ni tire so na Dr. Baumia so ba be yefuo na mo ho adwomo Afia poku ya so won pene na committee na minim say journalist for the Afia o raise na o se won fan pene na mo yi levy ni fuo ne say yi levy no o mo didi a o mo nya sika no e de eye mpuntu dwuma na journalist from Ghana ha na mo nim say tax ni wotia wode mpuntu dwuma o be ka say Ghana tax ni wotia ye chia ye hu so mfa so but na do ne tax utia huso mfaso akwan bebrebe na ado aye wo Ghana ha no tax ni bia interchange bebrebe na ado esisi no tax ni bia ambulance na okofa buy no tax ni bia drone na okofa buy no tax ni bia na ado aye akwan yankasa free education ni na tax ni bia nti Afia journalist for na ka esen ka mu bochenku discuss wo mu radio so TV so ka che Ghana for say tax ya de papa nti muntia journalist for kra ma mu jire na nadu kunipa tax ya onhyehyɛ ye na moko ne boade na nchi ne boade na mpa ne boade na na Baumia so beyefo a wo ya sapon ne Afia ma no yifo wa na Ghana fo ya so medwe na mekora de be ya nka ema ne yentia tax na nka kwan bo ne kunyen because and this from oba tax ne kwa yetia kra kwan no kwa monge nti Afia Dr. Baumia so yi tax ne afi wa ma no yi because ya buy mo Ghana fo mo senye oyefo so mo ya sapon ne sen what's some more hammer the gun? What's some more the guns? Why am I to Dr. Baumia see never be here for 1 Tiasia, go and bend the sea. Someone say mumpe into a year for bet here His Excellency at the taxi to see. In all social media, journalists for Ghana food beach say 120 NPP had then what the tax I had to bet so. And so tax NPP for the to bet is no munya nsem 1% youth ni dia bet twa because on manya youth in pay me what the name you bet 3 years ago bet the name you bitumi twa bet na bibi so nkwhye no akonfo because of this Kenya akotwa bet no wedi NPP the tax to send be omeja bet twa journalist for na Ghana for bisi tax na do e dey ato bet so nti no bewe but on my penda da mahama so oba wa be tax na afiso na youth na etwa bet yenti ese na fede tu jai na ye pa
we ni na po be vipa there is no way obetimi akọ gina baby akọ eniamo he cannot even afford because when you team obi abaka same near kan ye and I hope they were so train e more chain first no until they will not even dare me say Ghana for we should thank ourselves it is because of our pressure. Our pressure, NPP, NDC, your general pressure on the government of the day. Only a day taxes, man. And on have force you or more. Look at the things about me. And now, the manifesto, no, see, they, or more by one of the things I disagree, 11, look, we are Maya. You must be bold to have the balls to take bold decisions, no matter how unpopular. So we are buying that you are fixated on only taking populist decisions. But at least for now, it's almost become the status quo. Let it be. What you must do is that you must make it visible, profusely manifest the Saudi Juma. Yedi coin, yedi say. Mokoji Bosia Modia Sino Hydra Modia Modi be Tamale interchange. Please, if you use the money for what it is worth, I don't think any Ghanaian will complain. The whole issue and the Fourth Republic, at least the whole issue and the Fourth Republic, say a politician, what taxes now? You would your money. What taxes now? You now would you 11 now the Korea motorway 6 lanes are one of the umpe. Into this issue of ye 11, I disagree completely. But this is about me, I promise. Me see, I hear them critique. Is it a manifesto? A one need so because NBC do use manifesto by it's not. I mean, criticize and say, NBC free SHS by you have criticized free SHS for 8 years. I think they will be free first year level 100. I mean, I know the obedience car. Free SHS. You convince everybody say to Kenny. In fact, Ghana economy nuclear collapse because of free SHS. Then you do a 360 turn around. And then you come and tell us, oh, yes, level 100 free tuition. Are you serious? Yeah, I'm calling Are you serious? Look at the Yankolana. What I say? I know there's no amount of insult to change that, You cannot criticize free SHS. Because you see, every day they are making politicians, you get taxes near the Akotia S. Grasha. That's the Ghana for baby before margin Kusizo. You get taxes near the Akotia S. Grasha. So for once, see, I get tax. And in any case, free SHS is just 3.5% of GDP. Free SHS is just 3.5%. Conscious CD dollar exchange rate. And even how much it is adding to Ghana public debt. And look at the GDP. Free SHS cry points. But education is such a key issue, sir. At least every the next 10 years, no. Not the average collect be our secondary school be our own. Do you know the value of that? But not criticizing free SHS. I feel the only way I also call free level 100. But I know the Ebenesika de Akotia. Yebenesika de Akotia. So I support free level 100. But once I'm buy any say free, we cannot do free. Yeah, need basis. How are you saying that? Ghana, why not even get fund the Kresika format? I don't know get fund. Get fund. Estika format, get fund listening by one politicians, ministers, and penny focus here. It's Ghana who need basis and need basis applier. Ghana for a 32 million in America, Papa Niska. It's the free SHS nibi. So that criticism of free SHS is completely baseless. And that is the reason why I hear Busa NDC question say, and I've seen last minute 2020 election NDC go free SHS to buy any by who said, who call villages now free SHS we against them. Wow, Ghana is not Ghana. So if you sit in Accra now, your campaign come Accra Massa, why you mistake?